Hey guys, been a minute, a lot of things going on, family wise, and also just a lot of boring work which isn't that interesting. But anyway, I want to give you a small heads up. As it looks, we'll be going drifting. Woohoo! There's a practice day in France at Arnaud de Rhin, one of our home tracks, which should be nice. I hope it takes place. It's like 10 days out from today. Yeah, so fingers crossed we'll get that in. I'll give you a short heads up on the Chase ZX. I'll put in some work on that one. As you can see, it's charging up right now. Put a new battery in. The old one was a big one and I really want to shed some weight on it. I got some new stickers. As on the PS13, they had to go acai beer sticker on this one too. Yeah, long story, but if you're around, we can talk about it. As you can see, I put in some brake lines. Right now they're still loose. They're for the new e-brake system. They already tied down there. Here they're still loose because I'm waiting on the fittings to put that in. And as you can see, I got a twin caliper setup now. So yeah, I installed this. I said we still need some fittings up there. They should arrive tomorrow, and then we have to fill it up and bleed it. So that's that. I put in some new spark plugs. As the car runs quite rich on idle, they tend to fuck up quite fast if it doesn't get driven properly. Yeah, that's that. We got a new dump pipe up here with a nice teardrop. I also got a plug to go in there, so there's no rainwater filling it up. We got a spare clutch set. We got a new clutch master, a clutch slave cylinder Tilton, because the old one out of some reason is leaking. Don't know why. We changed the seal, but it's still leaking. So we'll have to drop the gearbox and switch that one out. Should be, well, as soon as we're on the hoist, probably a 2-3 hour job, maybe less. 2 hours should be easy going. Yeah, that's that. I installed a new lip on the front bumper. As you might have seen, the bumper is cracked. And yeah, long story short, as a carbon fetish guy, I decided on not getting a new bumper for now, but just installing a carbon lip on it. So here it's fucked up, but here comes the new carbon lip. So this might help to prolong the life of the bumper, or maybe that's just what I tell myself. We'll see about that stuff. We also got the speed socket. This is quite cool. So the lug nuts are in here, so you just push them on, put them in, and the next one flips up. I also prepared some spares. Just like this is like one of the boxes just for the Chase ZX. It's mostly gearbox stuff, some engine stuff, cables, the input shaft for the transmission, but this is just to center out the clutch, brake connectors. Yeah, there's a second box down there with more stuff. I just like to have one or two boxes, car specific stuff with all the replacement stuff. And yeah, I put some time into stuff like this just to get prepared for race weekends, which there might be some later down the road. We actually wanted to do one in May, but unfortunately it got cancelled. It was supposed to be the Nürburgring Drift Cup at the Nürburgring, obviously. Would have been cool. Yeah, but as said, it got cancelled. So yeah, But we're looking forward to test the car. Other stuff that's been going on, there's an E91 BMW here. We are stripping. If you need any parts, there's still a lot of stuff available. It was a 335, so with the N54 engine, which was broken, but 4x4, so the X model. Yeah, if you need anything, there's still a lot of stuff here, doors, interior stuff, or if you want to do a wagon drift car or race car, the chassis will be available too. So yeah, hit us up on that stuff. Yeah, I guess I'll show you more when I'll be back working on the car, some more details, or when we're back at the track. Should be a good one. We'll be doing also more tire testing there. We still have a lot of tires to test, as you can see over there. Some Cestinos, Secnovas, Tri-Ace, I don't know, a lot of stuff you want to test on the Chase ZX, all 265s. So it should be a fun day. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it, guys, for today. I hope you guys are safe. I hope to see you soon. Oh, forgot, next Friday or this week, I don't know when this video is going to drop, but this week we're also going to have our afterwork drift event, which is kind of fun. It's one of the only thing which is going on these days with COVID, but it's still a lot of fun. People who are attending, having good times. You might have seen the last video. It will show up somewhere, or just follow the channel, check it out. Yeah, so I'll hope to, as said, I hope to see you soon. I hope to see you on track here in the shop. If you need anything done on your car, if you need any parts or full cars, which we actually sold a nice one yesterday, I'll show you another time. If you need anything, hit us up. And in the meantime, stay cool, stay safe. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like and comment. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.